you do this to me? You are the love of my life.
Hi Kelly, honey. You've been in the room all day.
Yes.
You finally graced us with your presence. I see all that pizza you ordered over there. Are you going to have all that pizza by yourself?
Yes. Is there a problem?
Are you sure you don't have somebody upstairs?
I'm by myself.
I see you have on makeup. You're going out?
Yes, Dad. Is that okay?
Look, kiddo, I know you're going through a thing.
A thing? You mean finding out my boyfriend is cheating on me? You're calling that a thing?
Now tell me, how many times have you and that guy broken up now? Has it been once, twice, 3, what, 4 times?
Dad, why am I even talking to you? Like, I don't expect you to get it.
Look, you see your mama run gone left me.
That is true. I'm gonna just go. I just wanna be by myself.
Honey, you're here if you need me. You're here?
Thank you.
Mike, what go on?
Morning, John.
Damn, I'm blessed up, man.
What you up to?
Damn, I'm going with me. I'm see in a minute, so I'm come check by here, you know?
Yes, I've been here, man. I've been here. Well, you haven't seen me in a little while because, Kelly has moved back in. She and that little thuggish looking boy what me never like in the first place been having problems. So she been here now a couple of days. Been doing nothing but bawling her eyes out the entire time she been here.
You see, look, from when me tell us she did with my son. I don't know.
Your son? Which son?
One son, never like
That boy that's doing 25 to life? Not over my dead body, anybody but him. I want to know something, John. Go about your business. I will talk to you later. I'm going to go back in the house because she not in a good shape. She come down like mus when she wants something to eat. All she been eating is pizza and ice cream, nothing else. Not saying a word, I'm going back up in the room, but I can't talk to you now. So what I do is when I have some time, I come link you.
All
so
right.
we talk,
All right.
we catch up.
All right.
Little more.
Dad, you keep following me. I tell you I don't want to talk about
All
it.
I want to do is talk about it. Just listen to me now. Just listen to me now. Baby, I've been down that road, you know. From the moment I met that guy, I didn't like him.
Dad,
My spirit never take him for some reason.
I get that. I'm dressed up. I wanted to go out, watch a movie with my friends, and here you are talking about this guy, and I don't want to talk about it. You keep telling me you get it, you get it. We've been together for 6 years. This is the guy I was supposed to marry.
I completely understand. I've been down that road before. Your mother run left me, just like how this boy run left you. So
Why would you say?
Honey, I'm sorry. I don't mean anything by it. All I want you to do is just be happy and listen to me. Don't go back with this boy. Him don't mean it. What? 3, 4 times on a breakup? Him don't mean you no good. It's my job to protect you.
I appreciate it. You are protecting me, but just allow me to go.
So where are you going tonight?
I wanted to dress up so I can feel better.
So you are going out?
I wanted to go out and watch a movie.
But you're not going with him though?
Why would you keep bringing him out, Dad?
Honey.
I don't want to talk about it anymore.
Come. See come, take the card. Come here. See, here. Go out with your friend and go ahead and buy.
I don't go anymore.
Honey, come on.
I
Please.
miss
Oh,
him.
Jesus. Oh, I'm so sorry. Honey, I'm so sorry. You sure you don't want the card? Take the card, man.
No.
It'll make you feel better. I've been down this road. I mean you the best, and I want you to listen to me.
I loved him, Dad.
I know. I know. I'm so sorry.
I loved him.
I'm so sorry. It was not a good boy.
We've been together for 6 years, Dad. That's most of my 20s. And now I feel like I have nothing.
Honey, don't you worry. Listen, you have me, right? And my horrible taste in TV shows. So I promise you'll be fine. You just can't see it yet.
But what if I don't find anybody else? Like, he was the love of my life.
You, my pretty daughter, can't find somebody else? You're going to find a better one that will do everything and even more, and will not leave you like this one. I promise you. Come here. You come, my daughter. You'll be just fine. I promise you. And if you can't find one, we make one for you.
Is that Uber Eats?
Yeah. Oh, and honey, I ordered something for you, but I forgot the ice cream.
Dad.
Anyway, let me go get the food. Can I help you?
Good night, sir. I'm here to see Kelly. I know I messed up, but I'm here to make up for it.
So this is how you come look for my daughter? Looking like any thief from down town?
I'm Jamaican, you know.
Listen to me, you know. Listen. It's over. She doesn't want you. She has moved on. She found somebody else. Not want you.
Kelly! Over! Kelly! Over!
Sir, let me talk to woman.
Don't worry, Dad. I got this.
Kelly, I'm sorry. That's my baby girl.
Thank you, Dad.
Yes. You want me to get you the ice cream? Yes, come with that. I'll get you the ice cream.